Did for my niggas in that slam. Staying strong behind them bars like the gym. Just want y'all to be patient, your time to get slammed. I gotta pop my shit from the other side, it feels so unreal. And politicking through that glass, that shit ain't gon' give. I lost 2 cousins in the system, in the same year. Rest in peace to Paul, if I can bring them back, I will. They try to blame it on the drugs, but I don't think that what it is. So much hatred in this world, I don't know just how to feel. So much rain, so much pain, so much rain, so much pain. Went from pick 'em up, bust 'em, and froze cause as a child, to going to court and watch a nigga fight it trial. Hop out that porch into the streets, that was our normal lifestyle. I wish I had the knowledge then, we could've gone another route. I got niggas that caught body, got niggas taking blind, doing years cause they thought they main partly silent. Same niggas that they held down, took the blame for. Don't write or drop a thing on they books, that's a shame. My niggas segregated, locked away for years, man, that pain show. This is consequences, this ain't what they asked for. If you do the crime, you do the time, that's the way it go. Stand on business, hold it down, my nigga. You're a king, don't you break, you wear your crown, my nigga. Keep God in your heart, you the faith, my dog. That's the way, my dog. The clock been ticking, I can't wait till one of y'all touch down. Oh. Nigga free mind, I put one out for mine. Can't wait to see mine. I love mine. I miss my dog. Oh Lord, stay strong. I'm shedding many tears for my niggas, man. Real than that nigga, I miss all my dog. Did for my niggas in that slam. Staying strong behind them bars like the gym. Just want y'all to be patient, your time to get slammed. I gotta pop my shit from the other side, it feels so unreal. And politicking through that glass, that shit ain't gon' give. I lost 2 cousins in the system, in the same year. Rest in peace to Paul, if I can bring them back, I will. They try to blame it on the drugs, but I don't think that what it is. So much hatred in this world, I don't know just how to feel. So much rain, so much pain, so much rain, so much pain, so much rain, so much pain, so much rain, so much pain. Recipe telling Paul, I miss my rounds. Love all my dogs, nigga. My niggas incarcerated, nigga. Free y'all niggas, nigga, to the baggage. Pain right deeper than the motherfucking ocean, nigga. Yeah. My dogs.